If you're wondering how to use GetResponse for affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. GetResponse can be a powerful tool for driving sales and building your affiliate marketing business, but is it the best choice? Stick around until the end, and I'll also reveal an exclusive free trial offer and some alternatives that might be a better fit for your affiliate marketing goals. First, let's talk about GetResponse's email marketing features. If you're doing affiliate marketing, one of your main tools will be building and nurturing an email list. GetResponse makes it easy with its drag-and-drop email editor, which allows you to create visually appealing emails without needing to know code. You can also segment your audience, so you can send personalized emails to specific groups, improving your chances of conversion. Next, let's dive into automation. With GetResponse, you can set up automated email sequences to promote affiliate products. This is a great way to nurture your leads while you sleep. You can trigger emails based on user behavior, like opening an email or clicking a link. This ensures that your audience gets the right message at the right time. The third thing GetResponse offers is its landing page builder. Landing pages are key for affiliate marketing, and GetResponse offers an easy-to-use platform to create them. You don't need any coding skills to create a professional-looking page that can help convert your visitors into buyers. The downside here is that the landing page templates are fairly limited compared to other platforms. If you're aiming for something truly unique, you might want to look elsewhere. Fourth, GetResponse comes with a powerful analytics dashboard. This feature is essential for tracking your affiliate marketing performance. You can see who's opening your emails, which links they're clicking, and which products are performing best. However, some users find the analytics a bit overwhelming due to the amount of data it offers. If you're a beginner, you may need a bit of time to get comfortable with the interface. Now, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse is affordable, but it can get pricey if you scale up. They offer a 30-day free trial, so you can test it out, but if you're just starting and don't need all the bells and whistles, the basic plans might be more than you need. Other platforms offer more competitive pricing for affiliate marketers, especially if you don't need all of GetResponse's features. Now, after weighing GetResponse's pros and cons, let's look at some alternatives. There are several tools that might actually be a better fit for affiliate marketing. For example, tools like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign offer more flexibility in terms of automation and landing page customization. They're also built with affiliate marketers in mind, so you might find them more intuitive and easier to use in the long run. But if you're still sold on GetResponse, there's a silver lining. We've got an exclusive deal for you through our link, where you'll get an extended free trial. This offer isn't available anywhere else, so be sure to grab it while you can. Plus, we've got a list of amazing alternatives that also offer free trials and could work better for your affiliate marketing goals. Check the link below for all the details and get started with the best free trial options out there.